Okay, I make a presentation for GE, and we show our 850 Le Mans, which was bought by him, and we show some details and how it moves, but I'm sure that he will make it. At first we have matching numbers. The numbers belongs to the Le Mans 1 series. We have the correct engine number, correct frame number. Typical for the Le Mans 1 is that the brakes are in front of the fork. This is also typical for the Le Mans 1, but in Germany it was forbidden. In Germany it's totally red, but it's correct. And we have the correct paint. And of course the seat. The carbs have a plastic one. That is also correct. And this one is not original. It's the Lafranconi exhaust, and he show the inside. But we sent you the correct exhaust. It's a little bit windy, so I hope the understanding is very well. Henry, please show the typical switches. The engine is overhauled by an expert. He has overhauled the motorcycle for himself, but then he has the idea to go to France, and so the last client bought the bike. It has got a fresh service. We sent you a mail where we sent you the information about oil, etc. If you want to start it, open the fuel cap. We have two of it. For a short moment, but it's a Guzzi's the Guzzi's start easy. You must stop here.